What's up, guys? Well, today is the day. We are painting the truck. Finally laying color. This also comes with some bummer news. When I was filming the painting of the truck, the card in my camera went corrupt. And at first I had lost all the footage. And I was really bummed about that. But then I was able to use some software disk drill and I got a decent amount of it back, but I did lose quite a bit. I lost footage of laying out the fenders, getting those sprayed. I lost all the footage of clear coat, which is a huge bummer. But you know, clear coat works. You just spray on the clear coat. Lost footage of the cut and buff, actually cutting and buffing. But I'm not gonna cry about it. I'm gonna try to stay positive. Got a new card. Hopefully we won't have that issue again. So yeah, that's a bummer. But we still got footage, enough footage, and we got footage of laying base coat. So that's good. Another thing is, I know I talked about several times in the past about doing two-tone. I decided against two-tone. If you know me in real life person, I'm kind of a laid-back guy, and two-tone stands out a lot for me. I love two-tone. I love to see two-tone on other vehicles, but for owning one, I just figured the single-tone would, I love the lines of the unibody, and I wanted them to speak for themselves, and just single-tone. And I just think it looks kind of understated and classy in a way and lets the body lines of the truck speak for itself. So it was a personal choice, decided to go with single tone, no two-tone. So if you're wondering why there's no two-tone on the truck, that would be why. That's the explanation. All right, guys, with that being said, that's enough of that. Let's get right to painting the truck. It came out good. I am happy with it. You could see that I had a little issue with my gun. I didn't thin it quite enough for the 1.3 tip that I was using. Went back, thinned it out a little bit, and then it sprayed on fine after that. But yeah, overall, I am happy with this. I think it looks good. I went over it with a light, fine-tooth combed it, and a few little areas on the roof that I didn't quite reach. I'll take care of that easily. But other than that, looking good. The hood is back on, and I'm doing the cut and buff now. Just putting some emblems on because I'm excited to see them on there because it's really coming together now. But yeah, just doing the cut and buff with the buffer and everything, and it's coming out really nice. Very nice, actually. It's all coming together. Should start to go pretty fast now. I'm really frustrated with the fact that the color doesn't come through what it looks like in real life. It looks much more blue on here. In real life, it's kind of a steel gray, slight bit of greenish. It's got blue in it, but yeah, it looks much more blue. So for the big panels and stuff, I'm using the big buffer. And then going back, I've got several different wheels, pads, foam pads. I use the wool pad first for the cutting. And then when I step down to the polish compound, I'm using foam pads. And for the tight areas, I've been using this little random orbital buffer thing I got on Amazon. It's dirt cheap. And it works great. I'll actually link it down below because I'm impressed with it. It gets like these hard to get areas really well. But yeah, there's a lot of dust that gets kicked up when you're doing the final polishing and stuff, but a few little scratches here and there that I'll have to go back and address again, but coming out very nice and very smooth. It's all coming together. Got the fenders mounted, the inner fenders as well, core support, bumper, lower valance. Starting to look like a truck. It took forever to get these fenders to fit right and get the gaps decent. I know they're not absolutely perfect right now. I'm just gonna let it settle a little bit more, and you know, once I put a few miles on it and stuff, probably adjust them a little bit more to get them. I mean, they don't need to be perfect, but they look pretty good right now. But yeah, it's all coming together. Put the hood down, get a look at it. The hood down. Need to do a little adjusting on the back of the hood there, but I mean, it's not horrible right now. And then back to Getting all the wiring done. Forgot how much fun that is. Sarcasm. But yeah, figure I'll get the front end finished up and then move to the interior wiring and stuff. Man, we're getting close. I'm saving for last the thing that I'm guessing is probably going to be the least fun, and that is the putting in the new isolators and putting in all the door hardware and stuff, and then, you know, the vent window, quarter window, so the anti-rattlers and all that. That'll be, it doesn't look like a fun job. So I'm kind of procrastinating on that. Now my iPhone doesn't seem to be having an issue picking up what the color looks like in real life. This is the color, guys. You can see it's got blue in it, but not near as much blue as my other camera seems to make it look. It's definitely got more green and more steel, kind of grayish color in it too. But yeah, this is the color in real life. Yeah, here it is, guys. The truck is just really dusty. I can't wait to take it out and wash it, but I still need to rope in the front and rear windows and install the glass on this door. I just can't get enough of this thing. Definitely needs to be washed. It's dusty and dirty, but we'll get it out when it's a nice day, get it out and wash it down. But I'm very happy with the results. It's not absolutely perfect, but wasn't going for absolutely perfect, so that's okay. I love the off-white of the Wimbledon white with this color. Just works very well. For my first paint job, it went a lot better than I thought it would. I figured it was just going to be a mess. I have painted before, like the motorbikes and stuff, but never on such a large scale. But it worked out well. If you remember, this is a new door skin that we made. It's all brand new metal, and that came out really good. There's a little bit of buffing residue and stuff on that. Again, we're going to take this thing out and get it washed. I'm getting excited, getting ready to pick out my tires, get this whole wheel tire situation a little better than it is right now. But other than that, she's painted. She's in clear coat. She needs to be washed, probably cut and buff a few little areas here and there. But other than that, not a bad job for my first paint job. Not a bad job for a garage paint job, nonetheless. All right, guys, I know it's a short one. Apologize. Again, that stupid card going corrupt. I bought a brand new card. It's in there now. We should not have that problem anymore. I remember I had that problem way back. I think it was like episode 2 or something like that. So for it only happening twice over the past, 3 years, I'll take it. But also, this was kind of a big episode. I was painting and clear coating the truck. And it's sad to have lost some of that. But oh well, again, not going to cry about it. It is what it is. At least I did get the footage off of it that I did after some extensive disc drill stuff and being able to finally get that off of there. It took a while. All right, guys, that's going to do it. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. The truck's painted. It's painted. Now we're just going to do the little things here and there. We're going to get the interior buttoned up. Next episode, definitely going to do the carpet and do the windows and the cranks and everything like that. Not going to rope in the windows just yet, but we're getting there. Guys, thank you so much as always, and I'll see you in the next one.